Hello students, a warm welcome in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the 5 community terms. These are most important in every competitive exam. These are asked. In this video, the terms that are included, these are epidemic, endemic, pandemic, incidence and prevalence. Before starting the video, before starting these terminologies, we will discuss one more term, that is expected frequency. Expected means we are predicting. Frequency means number of cases. That means we are predicting the number of cases. For example, in any year, for example, the year is 2019, the number of cases of dengue in some certain area, for example, in Delhi, were 1,000. So what do you mean by expected frequency? That means in 2020 we can able to expect that at least 1,000 cases may be there for the dengue. So this is the predictable number of cases that we are expecting. So what is the relation of this expected frequency with our this video or with these terms epidemic, endemic, pandemic? What is the relation? We will see now. If the expected frequency is more or it is excessing than the normal. For example, we predicted the number of dengue cases in 2019 it was 1,000. So the expected frequency is 1,000. If in the next year the number of cases these are more than 1,000, for example these are 7,000, so that will be epidemic. Epi means above, demic means above the population in which we are calculating. So in epidemic, the disease condition it is occurring more than normal expected frequency. If the cases are within normal or the usual range, that means the number of dengue cases, these are 1,000 in Delhi in 2020 also. So this is the endemic. Endemic means these are the normal or the expected cases, that will be endemic. I think you got clear from the expected frequency. If it is excess, that will be epidemic. Epi means above. Above means it is going to excess. And in endemic, it will be normal or the usual. Epidemic means when a disease occurs more or excess than the expected frequency. It is unusual because it is excessing. Unusual or sudden breakdown of any disease condition. Example are Ebola, plague, influenza and dengue. Endemic means usual or the expected frequency of a disease in a population. These are the constant or the regular presence of disease in a defined geographical area. Example cholera, malaria, chickenpox. The next term is pandemic. Pandemic means when any epidemic disease it is spreading throughout the world. That means from one part of nation to another part, from one continent to another continent. Example is COVID-19. It is a pandemic disease. Incidence is the number of new cases that are occurring in a defined population in a specific time period. For example, in 2020, the new cases that are found related to dengue, these are 20. So the new cases, this will be the incidence. Incidence, it is a rate. Prevalence is total current cases. Current cases means the old cases plus the new cases in a defined population over a point or a period of time. For example, in 2020, if the cases in the January, these were 20, in February, these were 20, in March, 20. So all these cases, maybe the January patient, they have recovered. But the total number of cases, either they are old or the new cases, that will be prevalence. And prevalence, it is a proportion. If you really enjoyed the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.